Hello guys, welcome back to CloudyML. My name is Nikita. Today we will be talking about four of the major questions that has been asked in the many of the job interviews regarding the Power BI. So these questions has been asked when various companies like TCS, Adobe and many more. So let's go and discuss these four questions in details. So, the first question that we will be looking upon is what are the major components in Power BI? So, basically, this is the Power BI desktop dashboard. This is how it is looking like. So, this is known as Power BI desktop. Here, basically, we create various type of queries, models and report using the different tools present over here. You can see we have different tools over here and we create different kind of visualization in the Power BI desktop. So this is the major component of Power BI. The second component of Power BI is Power BI query. Here, Power BI query is basically known as ETL tool. ETL tool simply means extract, transform, and load tool. In Power BI query, we do the transformation of data mainly. For example, this is Power BI desktop. Let's say if you have insert any data, then I will go on this transform data tab and I will click on transform data and it will simply take me to the Power BI query editor. Here I can do editing to all my data that I have uploaded and can proceed with the transformation of that. So I hope these two components are clear to you guys till now. After that comes Power BI service. So whatever we have created, so whatever dashboard that we have created, so Power BI service is used to share that particular dashboard online. In Power BI desktop, the or in Power BI query, the only thing we can do is we can create, transform, extract, and load the data. But once this data is created, we need to publish that data on the Power BI service so that we can share it with anyone we wish to. So once we will click this dashboard, you can click on this publish button over here and then it will take you to the Power BI service page. Guys, one thing to notice over here is that to log in to Power BI service, you must have any organizational email address. You can't log in through your normal email address, that is your Gmail, Yahoo, or anything like that. You can't log in through those. You need organizational email for that. After that, we have Power Pivot. So, Power Pivot is basically used for data modeling over here. It is used to create relationship between various tables. For example, in Power BI, we use DAX. DAX is known as data analysis expression. So in Power Pivot, we create DAX as well. We do data modeling and it is due to create relationship as well. Suppose we have two or three tables and we wish to create visualization from both of all of these tables, then Power Pivot is used to create relationship between them. After that, we have two more components, that is Power BI Mobile and then we have Power BI Query. So Power BI Mobile is used for Android, iOS and Windows Phone. It basically gives us interactive displays of the dashboard that we have created in the form of Power BI phone and Power BI phone and for desktop. So basically, you can change the layout. For example, here you have phone mobile layout. Here you have page view. So you can change the layout as well. After that, we have Power BI Q&A. Whatever dashboard you have created, whatever data you have loaded to the Power BI, Power BI has very special feature that it gives you a feature of question and answer wherein you can ask anything from Power BI related to that data and Power BI will respond you with the answer. So there are many components of Power BI, but these are the major component that you guys can tell to the interviewer in any interview. Now let's see what is the next question coming up. Next question is, what are the available views in Power BI? So this is Power BI desktop. Here you can see we have three views. So here you can see we have three views. One is report, another one is data, and the last one is model. So here in the report view, you can see all these view tables that we will upload will display over here, and we will proceed with the visualization part over here. The same thing is written here as well. The report view displays the table in an interactive format to simplify data analysis. You can create a number of reports, provide visualization, merge them, or apply any search for functionality in the report view. So all the visualization that will be created, it will be created under this report view. Next comes data view. So here in the data view, whatever data set you have loaded to the Power BI will be shown over here in data view. So it helps in viewing data tables in the data set. With data view, you are looking at the data after it has been fed to the model. So basically, let's first upload data in order to explain these things in a nice way. Let's say I am adding one data set. So after adding this data set, whatever visualization I will create, that will come in the report view. Let's select all the sheet, but these sheet are empty. This is also, no, this has. So I will click on this load data, and as soon as the data will be loaded, you can see we are getting these fields reflected over here. So all this come under the report view. And the second thing was data view. In the data view, you can notice the table that we have loaded. We are able to see that here as well. Here you can see that the data which we have loaded is coming in the table form. After that comes modeling view. So suppose if you have multiple tables, let's say you have multiple tables over here and you want to create a visualization from them, then this model view is used to create relationship between these tables and then analyze the data. So basically this shows you the all the tables along with their complex relationships. With this you can break these complex models into simplified diagrams or set properties for them at once. Let's say this is one table, and let's suppose we have another table as well. In the another table as well, we have area code common in both the tables. So what we will do, we will simply make a relationship between these two tables using area code. So this is known as model view. So here we have gone through the three types of view, that is uh, report view, then model data view, and then model view. I hope these three view are clear to you guys. So till now we have gone through two questions. Let's see what is our next question. So here the next question is, what are different type of filters in Power BI? So in the report view, you can notice we have one section of field, one section of visualization, and we have one section of filters as well. Let's open this filter option and see what options do we have. So here you can notice we have filter on this page, filters on all the pages. But here you can notice we are only getting two filters over here. We aren't getting visualization level filter. This is because we haven't created any visualization till now. Let's create one visualization. Suppose I want to see what I want to see, profit and date. Okay, I want to see date wise profit. Let's have one line chart. Let's have date. Let's have only year, and I want to see profit. Okay. So notice it's showing us profit year wise. Now you can notice we have the option of filter on this visual as well, and filters on this page, and filter on all the pages. So basically filter on this visual will apply filter to only this particular visual. Any filter that you will be apply will only be applied to this. However, let's say if we have one more filter on the same page. This time I want to see date wise sales, and I want to see on the basis of year. So here you can notice we have two two visualization on the same page. So if we will apply filter on this page, then whatever filter we will apply, it will be applied to both this chart. And the third option is filters on all the pages. Let's say we have one more page over here and one more visualization we have created. So filter on all pages will apply the filter to all the pages that is present in that particular report. So I hope these three filters in Power BI is clear to you guys. So the first one was visualization filter. These are applied to both data and calculation conditions for particular visualization. Then we have page level filters. It is applied on a particular page from various pages available in within a report. And then we have report level filter that is applied to the entire report on the in the Power BI. After that, let's see what next question do we have. So the next question is, what is get data in Power BI? So here you can notice we have one option of get data. So basically, whenever we wish to create any visualization in Power BI, obviously we will need data to be uploaded in that particular tool. So, get data helps us to upload the data from different sources to the Power BI. So, we have common data sources like Excel workbook, Power BI data set, we have Power BI data flows, we have data words, we have SQL server, then analysis service, text or CSV, then we have web. After that, we have OData feed, we have blank query, Power BI templates, and we do have more options over here. So basically, get data is used to connect Power BI with the various data sources so that one can proceed with the visualization. Now, I hope whatever four questions I have told you guys is clear. So we have seen the major components. After that, we have seen the different type of views, and then we have seen different type of filters, and then we have seen what is get data in Power BI. These are very basic question, guys, and this has been asked in major of the interviews for the Power BI developer or BI analyst. I hope these four questions and the concept regarding these four questions is clear to you guys. We will meet in the next video soon. Till then, take care, stay safe. Bye bye, guys.